The music industry has made remarkable strides over the years, but one thing that has remained constant is the sheer magic of creating music in the studio.
If you've always dreamed of immersing yourself in this enchanting experience, then our audio engineering and music production course is tailor-made for you. In this program, you'll have the incredible opportunity to spend 6 months learning directly from a seasoned industry professional audio engineer in their studio.
To kickstart your journey, we'll begin by delving into the fundamental science and equipment that form the bedrock of the recording process. Through captivating lessons like sound and hearing, you'll gain profound insights into the way sound travels and how our ears perceive it.
In our module, Connectivity, we'll equip you with the knowledge of cables needed to transport the signals captured by microphones during exhilarating live tracking sessions.
In microphones, you'll unravel the intricacies of various microphone types and learn which ones are best suited for different instruments.
And in our tracking module, you'll master indispensable techniques for working with artists in the studio, capturing their most exceptional performances.
As you progress through the program, you'll dive headfirst into operating Pro Tools, the gold standard in recording software. In modules like plugins and processing, you'll embark on an exhilarating exploration of the vast array of stock effects used in the mixing process, including equalization, compression, delays, and reverb.
And this is just a glimpse of the immersive depth of our curriculum. At Recording Connection, we go far beyond the surface, delving into the intricate technical aspects of audio recording. You'll find a comprehensive list of all the captivating lessons right on your screen.
But here's the best part. All of this will be delivered to you one-on-one in the heart of a real recording studio where you'll learn by apprenticing. You'll spend invaluable time in the studio alongside your mentor, where you'll have the opportunity to explore and familiarize yourself with a diverse range of microphone types and their indispensable roles in the recording process. Dive deep into the intricate signal flow of your mentor's meticulously set up recording environment. Collaborate directly with genuine artists in the studio, witnessing the magic unfold. Mix, process, and master authentic recorded songs, honing your skills to perfection. Gain hands-on experience with awe-inspiring analog gear, amplifying your understanding of the craft. Work seamlessly with Pro Tools, applying advanced mixing techniques to sessions that you can take home and continue working on.
This comprehensive course will guide you through the entire creative process, from capturing the essence of a song to meticulously mastering it. Throughout your journey, you'll be supported by an academic tutor and a mentor who will nurture your understanding of the materials. There's truly no better way to learn and grow in this profession than by immersing yourself in the world of successful practitioners.
By laying a solid foundation with our course, you'll open doors to an incredible range of career possibilities, such as
pursuing the path of a sound designer and becoming the master of atmosphere in a variety of media experiences, such as ambience for theater production, immersive cues for video games, and background sound in film.
Or as a music producer, be responsible for the next big hit. By collaborating with artists and guiding them with the technical know-how, you can assist in refining their artistic vision and perfecting official music recordings.
As a mixing engineer, you can maintain balance for the next big hit. By specializing in the post-production stages, you can enhance audio elements to contribute to a cohesive and polished final product.
As a studio technician, you can keep the flow going and the go flowing. Troubleshooting, maintaining, and operating recording equipment with professional flair will ensure the seamless performance of any studio.
As a broadcast engineer, work in television or radio, with the resolve to remedy any audio-related challenges and striving for high quality in all areas of broadcast. You can help guarantee the best sound and smoothest productions.
As an audio restoration engineer, you can help keep history alive. Eliminating unnecessary background noise, discord, and other imperfections goes a long way to restoring and enhancing the integrity of audio recordings.
In a world of rapid change, independence is key. As a freelance audio engineer, exercise that independence to embark on ventures that will have you recording, mixing, mastering, and maintaining sound design like a true maverick across an array of diverse projects. Other schools train you in a classroom, on a campus with 50 to 100 students. With us, you'll be learning privately and in a real studio. And because of the connections our students make while they're learning, many of our students are offered paid work while in school or directly after they graduate. Make no mistake, in the music industry, having connections is everything.
We firmly believe that this course will establish a solid foundation for your future career, empowering you to work with your own clients in your very own studio.